Now for test and inspection procedures. Before starting work on the Jetronic, make absolutely sure that the engine is running well. Ignition and valves must be properly set, and the spark plugs must be functioning effectively. Exactly how the work is carried out on the system will now be demonstrated by our technician. Let's start with the fuel system. First, a visual inspection. We check all hoses and supply line connections for seal. Then we check the fuel flow quantity. We want to know if enough fuel is being supplied to the mixture control unit. The tools required for this task are this petrol pipe and a measuring container of about 2 litres capacity. The pipe is attached to the return line of the fuel distributor. In order to bring the fuel pump into operation when switching on the ignition, detach the fuel pump relay and bridge terminal 15 to terminal 87 at the relay socket. Caution: if terminal 15 is mistakenly bridged to terminal 31B, the control unit of the ignition circuit will be shorted out. The electrical connections to the warm-up regulator and the thermotime switch are also detached. Should the engine have an electrically controlled auxiliary air device, this connection here is removed as well to prevent the heating elements from warming up unchecked. Switch on the ignition now for a period of 30 seconds. A minimum of 750 cc of fuel must now be in the container. If there is less than 750 cc of fuel in the container, the reasons for this could be the following. The fine filter in the tank unit is clogged. The fuel feed pipe has a kink. The fuel pump has a faulty electrical contact or is worn. The fuel filter is clogged. If it is to be exchanged, note the fitting instructions on the filter housing.